Hi, this is Scott Richards, the Director of Training and Microsoft 365 at designDATA. And today we're going to take a look at one of my favorite functions in Word, Format Painter. The Format Painter is hiding all the way on the top left of the home screen in the clipboard section. It's this area right here with a little paintbrush icon next to it. And all it does is it allows you to take one piece of text, take the formatting only from that piece that you selected, and copy it to another piece of text. So as an example, and this is a pretty extreme example, imagine we like this nice big rust-colored title, and we want to copy this somewhere in our document. Okay, it doesn't matter what you're selecting as far as how many characters, because remember, it's not going to copy the text. It's going to copy just the formatting. So I'm just going to select a few characters here, doesn't matter how many. Select Format Painter. Okay, and now we're going to go down to text, and you may be able to see that the cursor has turned into a little paintbrush. So imagine I highlighted this second sentence here, second paragraph, and just say it is important and let go. Okay, you'll see what happens. So basically it has taken the exact same formatting that was up here and copied it here. It did not touch the words, just the formatting. Let's take one more example. Imagine we're going to take this right here, and let's say that this one, we're going to make this italics. There we go. So, and now I want to copy that before I hit the Format Painter, and I'm going to copy it right here on this text. Okay, so literally didn't change the text, but it changed the text formatting to that red italicized area, and if I click on it, you'll see that it is in fact italicized. So a very quick tutorial on using Format Painter. Select the text you want to copy the formatting from, click Format Painter, and then highlight and then release the subject text, and you will have the formatting copied.